Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord unable to accept invite problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to clear our browser data. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome. Click on the three dot icon. You just need to scroll down and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select clear browsing data. Select basic. And you just need to uncheck the box in the browsing history and check mark cookies and other site data and check mark cached images and files. Now select clear data. After doing this, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use a VPN. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome, search for Chrome Web Store, click on the site, search VPN, press enter. Select any VPN you want. Select add to Chrome and select add extension. After adding the VPN, click on the puzzle icon and select the VPN and connect it guys. After connecting to your VPN, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to open the invite link from an incognito tab. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome, click on new tab and click on the three dot icon and select new incognito window. Now you can open the invite link from here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to use the Microsoft Store Discord. To do this, if you already have Discord installed on your computer, then you need to delete it guys. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the zip file and download it. After getting downloaded and open the zip file, double click on the geek.exe, select yes. Now you just need to right click on the Discord and select uninstall. Some leftover traces found. Click on the finish option to delete all of these. After completely delete the Discord, you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. Search for Discord. Click on the Discord and select the install option and install it guys. After getting installed, and you can check if the problem solved or not. Before I finish the video, there are a few things I want to mention. The sender of invitation link may have prepared this link for a limited time or by specifying a limited number of users. If this is the case, you can ask the person from whom you received the invitation link to create a new link. As an alternative solution, you can try to join the server you want to join from your mobile device. And another thing is that you may be banned from the server. If this is the case, unfortunately you can only join the server if your ban is removed. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.